Hey everyone, today, I want to talk about a platform called Whop where you can start earning. From day one, whether you have an audience or not, this platform is a game changer. You might have heard of it, especially if you follow people like Iman Gaji. He's a co-owner and heavily involved. Whop is essentially a place where you can build your own online business, sell digital products, create communities, and even find opportunities to earn by completing tasks or bounties. It's been growing pretty fast, and there are several ways people are using it to make money. So, let's get straight into what Whop is, and then look at 5 specific ways you could potentially earn with it. At its core, Whop lets you create what they call a Whop. Think of it as your own customizable digital hub. It's your storefront and community space combined. You can sell a whole range of digital things: online courses, access to private communities, software, betting tips, coaching, ebooks, templates, pretty much anything digital. The platform uses a system of apps, so if you want to sell a course, you add the Courses app to your Whop. If you need a chat function for your community, there's an app for that. This lets you build a setup that fits exactly what you're offering, instead of trying to piece together different services. A big part of Whop is its marketplace, called Discover. Millions of people browse this monthly looking for new Whops. Recently, Whop removed its 30% marketplace fee for sales through Discover, and new Whops get instant approval. This makes it easier to get seen. Whop is processing a lot of money, reportedly over $1 billion in payments annually, and creators are making decent income. It's also backed by some significant investors. Alright, let's look at how you can actually make money with it. First, selling online courses. If you know a lot about a topic, you can create a course and sell it through Whop's Courses app. You can get a course set up quickly. Whop doesn't charge upfront fees or monthly subscriptions for the Courses app. They take a commission when you make a sale, starting at 3%, plus standard payment processing fees. With the Courses app, you can upload different content types: multimedia lessons, text lessons, video-only lessons, and PDF lessons. Structure your course with chapters and lessons. Control content release, like drip-feeding lessons. Engage students with practice quizzes, graded assessments, and certificates of completion. Price your course with one-time payments, subscriptions, free tiers, or waitlists. Whop acts as a merchant of record, handling sales tax and payment gateway complexities. You can also customize your course page's appearance and add Whop's chat app for community. Next is Whop Content Rewards. This is where you can earn money by creating content that promotes other sellers' Whops or brands on the platform. And sellers commission content creators to make things like clips, short video segments for social media, user-generated content, video reviews or demos, faceless content using stock footage or animations, direct promotional content. Here's how it generally works. A seller creates an offer detailing the task, reward rate, and budget. You find an offer, create the content, post it on social media, and submit the link on Whop. Views are tracked, and you get paid based on performance. Whop uses an AI reviewer to check content submissions, which speeds things up. Rates vary, but if you're good at creating shareable social media content, this is worth a look. Like here a few days ago, Whop was paying $50 to promote their platform, whoever meets these simple requirements. They have such contests regularly. Affiliate marketing is another avenue on Whop, with 2 main ways to do it. First, referring new creators to the Whop platform. If you refer a new creator who then sells on Whop, you can earn 30% of Whop's revenue from that creator's sales for the lifetime of their sales. You'd typically join Whop's official affiliate program. Second, you can promote individual products or Whops created by other users. Whop creators can set up their own affiliate programs. They decide the commission. You can find these opportunities through creator invites or by browsing Whop's Discover Marketplace. You get unique promo links and an affiliate dashboard to track performance. So if you have a following, this app might have the best product to sell in that respected field. You can even earn through offline events. If you prefer live interaction, Whop has an events app and a webinars app for hosting online or even in-person events. These apps allow you to schedule events with names, dates, and descriptions. Make events recurring. Choose a location. In your Whop, Zoom, Google Meet, a physical address, or a custom link. Manage attendance with RSVPs and capacity limits for Whop members. Monetization here primarily seems to be through selling access to your overall Whop. People pay for your Whop membership, and that includes access to your scheduled events. The last method to earn using Whops is the easiest, which is the bounties. This lets you earn money completing simple tasks. It's a little bit different from the content rewards. Here is how it works. Add the Bounties app to your Whop. Create a bounty. Define the task, description, and payment per task. Tasks can be almost anything. Referring a friend to your Whop, giving feedback on your product, finding bugs, creating specific content, social media shoutouts for your Whop. Participants in your Whop complete the task, submit proof, and if you approve it, they get paid automatically from your Whop balance to theirs. This is different from the Whop content rewards. This Bounties app is for you to incentivize your community for tasks benefiting your specific Whop. I have made a video earlier in detail on how to earn doing clipping tasks. You can check it to start earning from day one. So, those are 5 distinct ways you could potentially make money using Whop. It's a platform with a lot of different tools. From selling courses and hosting events to leveraging affiliate marketing and community-driven content creation. The idea is that these tools can work together. The entry point is quite accessible, as you can set up a Whop and list products without upfront platform fees. That's all on Whop for today. If you're looking for a platform to build a digital business, it's worth checking out. If this video was helpful, give it a like. If you want more content like this, consider subscribing. And don't forget to check this video where I go into detail about earning money as a clipper.